guys, good afternoon. Last week I had hard time working for the whole week because I broke my eyeglasses. So I had to work on one eye. And it was so difficult. I was worried that I would always like do this whenever, forever. So finally I ordered a replacement, and there it is. I just received it right now, just now. So let's try what's inside, or if the product is indeed beautiful as it was advertised. Okay, let's go guys. First of all, it is delivered by Samsung. I could not wait to do this at home. So since I am having a brief break time, Gucci. Sana magandang laman nito. I hope it really is. And there's a card also. Gucci. And this, I don't know if you can read this like that. Whatever. Oh man. The cards, the box. And this, wow, looks so sturdy. Yan ang gusto nyo makita guys. It comes with, as usual, Gucci guys. Tcharam! Ang tanong, bagay kaya? So, let me try guys. Let's wipe it out first because it's dusty. Now it looks fine. I love it guys. Actually I already have my first glass temporarily, but it looks so ordinary, black. So I wanted something like this to look like young. Now it's trying. What do you think guys? Okay ba? At least it fits my big face. See, it's relaxed here on the ears, and it will not push my, what do you call this part of the face? See, the lines of the marks of eyeglasses. Is it eyeglasses or eyeglass? Sunglasses or sunglass? Whatever guys. I'm always confused with that too. So yes, Gucci. The problem is cool. I like it. Oh, now it's clearer. Gucci, and there's a serial number here. Gucci, made in Italy with the CE, and Model number GG1008547150. Nice. Oh, and there's a name Gucci here. I hope it will not interrupt, or it will not cause issues with Gucci proportionate. Gucci proportionate. You know, when it is new, you're very, very careful. After a while, oh, this is just plastic. But I can change the glasses, guys. Actually, I'll take this to the optometrist. No, the optical. Because I bought this for the glasses, for the frames itself. I mean, for the frame. Because of the frame, I purchased this. But there's no. This is ordinary glass. I mean, it's not for even for reading. I bought this because of the frame. Ano ba yung ginagawa nila ganyan? Yun, tatakpan para ano. Ganunin pala oh, para lumiwanag. Ayun oh. Ganun pala. Yan oh, made in Italy. Nice. Looks so strong. Okay. Unboxing. What does it say? I ordered this via Facebook post. Actually, this is not so expensive. That's why I took the risk of ordering, because of the frame. So it worth the risk because I love it. It fits me. Because before I ordered this, I made sure that it is size 60 mm, which is the size for my round big face. Because they have 56 and 54 mm, and those are not good for this type of face, round face. Comment, guys, if you want to know where I purchased this from. Comment down below. I'll give you the link. You can have your glasses also. And nice. Forma lang ito, pero okay. Now I can work. I can see everything. I can write everything. Bye guys, thank you for watching. I hope you learned from this video. What did you learn about? That we can purchase Gucci glasses online and it arrives safely. But I keep disturbing the shop because I was so excited. I kept calling them, where is my order, and finally it's with me. So guys, thank you for watching. Keep watching, guys. Thanks. Click the like, please subscribe. I'll do more videos when I'm out of work, not now. Bye and thank you.